Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan QR code in Telegram to join group. So in my case, if I open up my gallery app here, you should be able to find that I have got a QR code of Telegram group that maybe I would like to join. Now I can simply join this group if I have the QR code by scanning this QR code. So I can scan this QR code by using my default QR code scanner on my device. So my phone already comes with a QR code scanner over here. So I can just go ahead, open a QR code scanner. Now if you don't find it, if you don't have default scanner, then you can also download a third-party app from your Play Store. Then of course we could scan if it was another layer below the object, but we want to choose a photo from gallery. So just choose a photo from your gallery, then just select that QR code and then just go ahead and basically place it, hit the done button. It will automatically scan that. If you have the Telegram logged in, you can just open up that link. It will successfully open itself up in the Telegram app and then you can just choose to join the group. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.